just in case.
There's probably so much water.
All right, so today's a big day. Today we're gonna test out the suspension of the Porsche 9 1/4 hunting car that we're building. You've been following along with the little go-kart with a 914 engine in it. We're gonna shove it down some hills. We're gonna maybe tow it behind something. I don't know, just to make sure the suspension works and it steers okay and it doesn't fall apart. So let's wrap up our assembly and get going.
And so we've got 170-ish on each front wheel and 280, 275-ish on each rear wheel. I'll watch the back, you watch the front.
Oh, look at that! We got the light of day on it! As I get run over by it. Oh, man. That's rolling. Let me just fire up the old engine back here.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh no. There we go. It's working! It's working! It's working! Yeah! Oh yeah.
Now you're talking.
Flies off. Going downhill right now. Woo! Oh, we got some all-terrain. I'm gonna hit a pothole. Oh yeah. There he is. You wanna like ride in the back?
What's that?
Can you like stand on the back or something?
Sure.
I don't know. I'm not gonna go fast.
Or
you
could open the hatch and...
Yeah, hey, open the hatching in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Good?
Yep. There it is.
Ready?
Yep.
If anything breaks, you're gonna probably have to bail.
Yeah. Let's take it up to the top of the hill.
This thing's gonna be rowdy. What do you think?
Yeah.
How to do that bump back to the pothole?
You didn't even notice it.
Good. I hit some of the ripples on purpose back there, but it wasn't like enough to like.
No.
But it didn't jounce you though, so.
No, even like I said, the pothole, it just, at that speed, it just ate it up.
So we haven't explained this before. Our shop is located in a quarry, or like part of a quarry, I guess. So we have a lot of random space here, like this cliff. We're not gonna go off the cliff, but.
Not yet. We'll see how the first
maybe.
drive goes.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Maybe that'll be the end product. Yeah, test the cage. But yeah, we're gonna maybe roll down this hill over here. We'll see if it looks safe enough. Yeah, that might be a little much.
That looks sketchy.
If we had brakes, I would have no problem with it.
Right.
If that pole wasn't there, I think I'd have no problem. Well, I just have some problem.
Yeah, I'd have some problem with that.
Yeah.
That's pretty steep with no brakes.
This hill's gonna be a no-go, looks like. It's a little steeper than we anticipated.
It's a no go right now.
Well, the thing is, we already towed it up here, so it's gotta go down one way. It doesn't have brakes. This might not be too bad, just start from like...
I was gonna say, if we start in the middle of the hill.
We can even start low and then go about farther and farther.
Yeah, I like that idea better.
Okay.
Don't you?
Yeah, we gotta get down here then.
You
Safety first, you gotta put on your bulletproof vest in case of bullets.
Mm-hmm.
It is a hunting car, you know, so.
Exactly.
Basically, straight across there and hug right, to the right of the cone.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Got it over there.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm good.
So we hit there. You ready?
Yep, let's just go. I've done worse in my life.
You're gonna hit the cone.
Again! That was a little bit slower than I expected. Do you want to try it, Tony? Or do you just want to do it again? The rule is you have to wear the vest, though.
That's the rule.
That's the rule. Helmet.
Might as well do the helmet. Gotta do it right. Safety first.
There we go. I think he forgot to hit the GoPro.
There you go.
Yeah! Let's go see him. Hop in the back.
Hey there.
Hey, look at that majestic shot right there with the sun behind it.
I know.
It's up to you.
Want to both ride it?
No.
I don't mind riding the back.
Alright, let's go.
Let me throw the camera on my chest. All right, so performed way better than I expected personally. Well, it's what I hoped actually. The suspension actually felt soft. It didn't feel too stiff, but it still felt like it could corner. Now, we don't have any power to the wheels, so it's kind of hard to say much about that.
Right.
But it didn't feel like it was like top heavy or anything.
No, no, it absorbed the bumps and the dips really well, and it turned in really well. For not having
Tires a
any
little
brakes,
flat, but
which I really appreciated without any brakes. It went where I wanted it to and didn't feel unsettled the whole time.
yeah, we will be definitely able to rip donuts in this. Cool. Well, let's get it running next, and then get some brakes on it.
No, brakes and then running.
He's such a boomer, isn't he? So that just about does it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that, and stay tuned as we get this running. And then after we get it running, we'll do some crazy stuff with it, and then we'll put a body on it once we feel like it's ready for a body. And yeah, keep an eye out for some more slant nose content also.
Thanks, guys.
Later.